So guys, in this video, I'm going to do a very special thing, something that have been a very troublesome issue for me. And the issue is like somehow the fan of the laptop is at a very high volume. It's running like crazy, and it's been from last few months. And there are times that you want to hear something, you want to work on a piece of video or audio, and this sound gets annoying. I believe you might be listening the sound that is running behind my audio. So that's the sign of the fan. And in case you are also having the same trouble, so there is a very quick fix for that. Just go and find a power setting, power and sleep settings, and just go to this part, additional power settings, and then just click on change plan settings. And again, here you need to click on change advanced power settings. So I want you to reach this screen, this particular screen, and you need to scroll till the end, and you will see something called processor power management. So we need to do two things here. So first of all, there is a policy regarding system cooling, and both of them for me is active. So whether I am on battery or I am plugged in, most of the time I am plugged in only. So what I am going to do is make them passive. It is not going to like impact on anything. It's like just the way your fan will perform, it will be active only the when the your processor will get hot. It will not be always on. It's not in a very active mode. And something called maximum power state. So for many of us, it works for 98 if you make the power state as 98%. In case it is not working for you, then you need to make it 97%. So yeah, that's it. Once you are like done these changes, you can just apply and click OK. And within a few minutes, you will start observing that your fan will slow down and the background noise will go away. I hope this video is very helpful for you because it is very helpful for me itself. Thanks a lot.